What differentiates Stevens Aviation from other facilities is our family atmosphere. I am Lisa Gorman. I am the Refurbishment Coordinator at Stevens Dayton. I started back about 30 years ago in the line office, moved into some sales positions, and now currently am working as the Refurbishment Coordinator. I absolutely love my job. I get to deal with different types of people every single day in the intricate details of the emotions of the aircraft. This project was a lot of fun. We had a customer that was willing to think outside the box and go with some colors and some flair that I've been waiting to do for quite some time. When you walk in this airplane, you get immediately a feeling of luxury. It is bright and crisp and professional and just an all-round stunning look. Stevens Aviation has been around for a long time. Our employees at Dayton specifically, I would say about 60% of us have been there for 15 years to 30 years. With that comes a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge that you cannot learn in a classroom. That experience saves the customer money in the long run.